Hi, I'm Alex, and this is my top of the best makers who motivated me to start my small business, and my video about leather EDC pouch. When I decided to learn how to sew genuine leather goods, I began to look for information about this. And of course I immediately started watching YouTube. I found a lot of information, but I still enjoy their skill. So, my top 5 of the best makers on YouTube. First place, of course, Jimmy DiResta. From IMDb Mini Biography by Christopher Robertson. His videos are also shown on the YouTube channel Make, which has over 1 million subscribers. Jimmy makes many items including furniture, lamps, sculptures, jewelry, knives and many other items. Jimmy can be seen using mostly wood in his projects, but has also used many other materials. Jimmy also does restoration projects, which can be seen on his YouTube channel as well. For me, this person is very motivating. Second place, Bob I Like to Make Stuff. On his channel there are many videos on various topics. I even make a double bank for my children according to his example.
Hey, I'm Bob and I like to make stuff. Today I'm gonna make double bunk beds.
First place, Cote Leather. Beautiful and high quality videos, they are very nice to watch. The same goes for products. Fourth place, Hans Atelier. This guy is a master of his craft. Fifth place, Laura Kampf. As she talks about herself, I'm a self-employed artist, designer, maker and content creator. I'm deeply passionate about my workshop, developing my skill set and making stuff. These people motivated me to make stuff. There are a lot of interesting on YouTube, but more on that later. Links down below. Look, get inspired and make. Thanks for watching.